In today's video, I will show you how to clone Bitbucket repository step by step. So cloning a repository means you are making a full copy of a project from Bitbucket onto your own computer. This lets you work offline, edit files locally, and collaborate with your team much more uh, easily. Don't worry, I will keep everything simple and explain each step clearly. First thing we need is the clone URL from Bitbucket. So you will start with login into your Bitbucket Cloud account. Once you are logged in, open the repository you already have probably that you want to clone, so you can also have more of them. Inside the repository, look for the clone button. So it's up here at the right corner. Click on it. So here it gives you the link. We need to continue. So after that, you will see two options, HTTPS and SSH. HTTPS is easiest options, especially if you are a beginner or working with private repositories. SSH is more secure, but only if you already set up SSH key in your Bitbucket account. For this video, we will go with HTTPS to keep things simple. Now let's clone the repository using the terminal. So I will copy this code here and open up this terminal. Uh, Now you just need to navigate to the folder where you want the project to be saved. Okay, so when you decide in which project you want to be saved, you type in, you basically just copy this code into here. Okay, so I will fix a little bit like so, and it needs to look something like that as it is right here. And yeah, so make sure you replace username, workspace, and repo.git with your own repository details. So here you need to change these details. So if the repository is private, Bitbucket will ask for your credential, enter your Bitbucket username and enter your password, or an app password if you are using two-factor authentication. With these steps, you will confirm that you have permission, and that's basically it. If everything went well, the repository is now cloned onto your local machine, and you can open files, edit the code, and start working right away. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like and subscribe. It will help me. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.